Hello everyone. Now let's start with the next type of special equation. Okay, next type of quadratic special equation. Find the number of positive integral solutions of the following equation. Okay, the first equation is x square minus y square is equal to 165. Okay, x square minus y square is equal to 165. We are supposed to find which kind of integral solutions. We want positive integral solutions. Okay everyone, the first step is factorization, and we know over here the factorization is very easy task. Okay, because x square minus y square we can express it as x minus y into x plus y is equal to 165. Okay everyone, so we're done with the factorization here. Over here x minus y is the first positive number and x plus y is the second positive number. Okay everyone, now so the multiplication of these two positive numbers is 165. Okay, the multiplication of two numbers is 165. Okay, means both numbers are supposed to be odd number. Okay, so this number has to be odd number and this number has to be odd number. Okay, so we are supposed to split 165 into two odd numbers. Okay, so 165 is what? 1 into 165. Okay, it is 3 into, is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is 3 into 55. Okay, it is 5 into 5 3s are and 5 5s are, sorry, 5 3s and 5 3s are. Okay everyone, and this is divisible by 11 also, so 11 into 1, 11 into how much? 11 into 15. Okay everyone, so 165 we can express in 4 different ways as a multiplication of two odd numbers. This is the one way of doing this, or you can do like this also. Okay, the prime factorization of 165 is equal to how much? 11 into 15, that is 11 into 3 into 5. Okay, so the number of factors are, how many number of factors are there? Let's have a look at it. The number of factors are 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to how much? 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to, there are total 8 number of factors are there. And in how many ways we can express 165 as a product of two numbers? That is half into 8, that is equal to 4 ways. Okay everyone, half into 8, that is equal to 4 ways. Okay, so likewise we can express 165 as a multiplication of two odd numbers in how many ways? In 4 ways, because 165 itself is an odd number. Okay, there is no any even number which is a factor of 165, so every way both numbers are going to be odd number only. Okay everyone, so now over here we want which kind of numbers? We want positive integers. Means what? Tell me. X and y are supposed to be positive integers. Okay, x and y are supposed to be positive integers. Okay, can I say the subtraction of two positive integers? Okay, subtraction of two positive integers and addition of two positive integers. Okay, among these two things subtraction is always going to be less than addition. Okay everyone, subtraction of two positive integers is always less than the addition of those two positive integers. Okay, so the out of these pair every, okay, in every pair smaller number is allocated to x minus y and the larger number is allocated to x plus y. Okay, so we are not going to reverse this. Okay, 1 into 165 we cannot write 165 into 1. Okay, 3 into 55 we cannot write 55 into 3, and so on. Okay everyone, and the sum of two positive integers, okay, sum of two positive integers is always positive. So 1 into 165 we cannot write it as minus 1 into minus 165. Okay, 3 into 55 we cannot write it as minus 3 into minus 55, because sum of two positive integers is always a positive number, it cannot be negative number. Okay, so over here we cannot reverse these pairs. Okay, and we cannot take negative possibilities. Okay everyone, so over here we need to keep it as it is. Every possible way will give us only one solution. Okay, so x square minus y square is equal to 165 is having how many positive integral solution? The answer is 4. Total there are 4 positive integral solutions are there. Okay everyone, now you must be wondering which are these 4 positive integral solutions. Okay, so I will take any one of the example. Okay, let's take, I will take 11 into 15. Okay everyone, if I take 11 into 15, what does it mean? It means the value of x minus y has to be 11 and the value of x plus y has to be 15. Okay, if we solve these two linear equations simultaneously, we will get 2x is equal to 26, we will get x is equal to 13, and let's put x is equal to 13 in any one of the equation, we will get y is equal to 2. Okay, so we can say that 13 square minus 2 square is equal to 165. Okay, so among these 4 solutions, one of the solution is 13,2. Okay, so likewise we can find other solutions also, but we do not need to find the number, we do not need to find the actual values of x and y. Okay, we need to find out how many values x comma y can take. We do not want to find exact solutions, we want to find how many number of solutions are there. Okay, so for this particular equation, how many positive integral solutions are there? Total 4 positive integral solutions are there. Okay everyone, now on the same line we can solve second special equation also. Okay, the second special equation is x square minus y square is equal to 273. Okay everyone, so let's do it by same way. The first step is factorization. X minus y into x plus y is equal to how much? 273. In how many ways we can express 273 as a product of two numbers? Okay, for that we need to prime factorize. This is divisible by 3. Okay, 3 into 91, that is equal to what? 3 into 13 into 7. Okay, so how many factors this number is having? Okay, so the number of factors this number is having is equal to how much? 1 plus 1 2 into 1 plus 1 2 into 1 plus 1 2, that is equal to 8. In how many ways we can express this number as a product of two numbers? 1 by 2 into 8, that is equal to 4 ways. Okay, again look here, in every pair one number will be smaller and one number will be larger. Okay, out of this 4 way, in every way one number is smaller and one number is larger. Okay, the subtraction of two numbers, subtraction of two positive numbers is always less than addition of two positive numbers. Okay, so that smaller number is allocated to x minus y and the larger number is allocated to x plus y. Okay everyone, so we cannot reverse, we cannot write a into b as b into a. Okay everyone, now the sum of two positive integers is always positive, so we cannot write a into b as minus a into minus b. Okay, so every way out of this 4 way, every way will give us only one solution. Okay, so over here total how many solutions are there? Total 4 solutions are there. Okay everyone, likewise we can solve this.